In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to end your Shopify subscription. Whether you're pivoting your business online or you've simply found a platform that suits your needs better, ending your Shopify subscription is a straightforward process that we'll walk through together today. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Shopify website. It's essential to start at the basic homepage because this is where you'll begin the process of logging out, if you're currently logged in, and accessing the account settings that you need to adjust. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button. It's typically located in the upper right hand corner of the page. Clicking this will take you to the login page where you'll be prompted to enter your details. This brings us to the crucial part of the process, entering your email address. Make sure you use the email associated with your Shopify account. This might sound obvious, but it's easy to forget if you manage multiple email addresses for different aspects of your business. After inputting your email, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Take a moment to ensure you're entering your Shopify account password correctly, especially if you're accustomed to auto-saved passwords or if you use a password manager. Upon successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Shopify admin dashboard, often referred to as My Store Home. This is essentially the control room for your Shopify store, where you can manage products, view analytics, adjust settings, and importantly for us today, manage your subscriptions. Navigate to the apps and sales channels section next. This might seem like an indirect route to ending your subscription, but it's important for a comprehensive understanding of what services you're subscribed to and how they're integrated into your store. Apps can sometimes have separate subscriptions or impacts on your billing, so it's good to be aware of what's active before making any changes. After you've assessed your apps, it's time to dive into the billing aspect. Here you're looking for the billing option in your Shopify admin. This section is crucial because it's where all the magic happens in terms of managing your financial commitments to Shopify and any apps or services you use through Shopify. Here's an important part. Click on View All Subscriptions. This will give you a comprehensive overview of your ongoing subscriptions, including your core Shopify plan and any additional services you've subscribed to. Now here are a few things to keep in mind before you make any final decisions. Firstly, ensure that you've considered the impact of ending your Shopify subscription. This isn't just about the immediate impact on your online presence, but also about data, customer information, and any integrations you might lose access to. Additionally, it might be a good time to download or back up any valuable data you have stored on Shopify, as accessing this information might become more challenging once your subscription ends. Secondly, remember that while this video guides you through the technical steps of ending a subscription, Shopify's support team is there to help if you encounter any issues or have specific questions about your account, billing, or the implications for your business. Lastly, consider your timing. Shopify's billing cycles could mean that the timing of your cancellation could affect whether you're liable for another month's subscription fee or not. In summary, ending your Shopify subscription involves a series of straightforward steps: logging into Shopify, navigating to your admin dashboard, assessing and understanding your current apps and services, and managing your billing and subscriptions directly from the Shopify admin. It's been great walking you through these steps today. Whether you're moving platforms, taking a break, or shifting your business focus in another direction, knowing how to manage your processes, including ending them responsibly, is key to effective business management. Remember, take your time, assess each step carefully, and don't hesitate to reach out to Shopify support for any assistance.